how to divide your money right and build real wealth. If your income keeps increasing every month but you still feel broke, the problem isn't your salary. The problem is how you manage your money. The secret isn't earning more. The secret is knowing how to divide your income properly and take control before it takes control of you. Step 1. Divide your income into 3 main parts: essential expenses, rent, bills, groceries, emergency savings, even a small amount at 10 to 20% of your monthly income, investments and building assets, side projects, stocks, investment funds, anything that creates a steady income. Step 2. Keep each part separate: a savings account, an investment account, and your daily spending account. True control starts when every dollar has a clear purpose. Step 3. Cut unnecessary spending, anything that's not essential or that makes you feel like you need more. Reduce it or remove it entirely. Focus on building assets and ongoing income instead of luxuries. Step 4. Start small, grow consistently. Even small savings or investments add up. Consistency is more powerful than a large amount all at once. Time works in your favor while you build a strong financial foundation. If you follow these steps correctly, you won't just protect yourself from financial trouble. You'll start building real wealth for the long term. Follow the channel for simple, practical money tips to help you build real wealth.